Hi guys, welcome to my channel and welcome to yet another video. It's a haul video after so long. I didn't shop any of the beauty items for more than 4 months I guess. So काफ़ी excited हूँ मैं ये सब share करने के लिए आपके साथ because I just love doing haul videos and the kind of response I receive on the haul videos is also amazing. So I am assuming that you guys also love the haul videos. Also, just a disclaimer, I'm not encouraging you to buy all of these products. I'm just sharing the things that I bought. I'm not encouraging you to buy these products or even just go for shopping. It's your choice. Obviously, I'm here to just share my reviews and thoughts, and based on that you can decide whatever you want. Now, without making this intro any longer, make sure you subscribe and turn the notification bells on because I upload 2 videos every week along with some YouTube shorts, so make sure your notifications are on. And now let's dive right into starting off with some makeup items, because obviously if I'm shopping from Nykaa I have to buy some makeup products. So I have got these bunch of lipsticks from Lakme. It's their 9 to 5 weightless matte mousse lip and cheek color. So I've got 3 shades in this, and basically this is how the packaging looks like. The first shade is Coffee Light. I'll just show you the inner product as well. So this is how the main packaging looks. I have already tried out this range. I've been using 2 to 3 shades before, so that's the reason I bought more shades from the same collection. So I will actually share a detailed review of these lipsticks and swatches, so please wait for that video in case you want to see some swatches and review of these lipsticks, because I must tell you, obviously if I'm buying 3 more shades apart from what I'm already using, definitely it is good, it is really nice. So I will share a detailed review. Stay tuned for that. I have a rosy plum feather and one more plum feather. Galti se do order ho gaye, but anyways, so these are the 3 shades from the Lakme's 9 to 5 collection. And I've got another lipstick from Chambord. This is how it looks like. Now Chambord is a little expensive brand, but ye mujhe offer mein mil gayi thi, so that's the reason I bought it. And this is in the shade, I will mention the shade in the info box, but you can see the swatch. It's a beautiful maroon kind of a shade, and this is like completely transfer proof and also very moisturizing on your lips, so you don't have to worry about those dry chappy lips if you apply this lipstick, and definitely gives you a matte effect and lasts all day long. Next thing which I have is an eyelash glue from Miss Clear. This is how it looks like. Now earlier I was using that Wand wali eyelash glue from Miss Clear itself, but that glue is always out of stock, and ye bhi badi mushkil se mili because Miss Clear eyelashes glue are like always out of stock, because they are the most affordable and the best eyelash glue in the market. Under rupees 300-400 आपको ये मिल जाती है, but बहुत मुश्किल से मिलती है. I've been looking for this for almost 3 to 4 months, and अब जाके I got my hands on this one. Obviously I needed the wand one but couldn't get that, so I bought this one. So the last makeup item that I have is this mascara from Lakme. It's their iconic collection, and this collection is so much in trend these days, so I had to try this out. Also, I was looking for a new mascara because I've just been using Maybelline's collection, nothing else when it comes to mascara, so I needed a new brand to try out, and this is what I'm going to try, and I will share the review if you want. Next, I've got a couple of moisturizers because I've been a lot into skincare these days. First one being from Lakme Absolute. This is how the packaging looks like. It's really fancy, and it's the Argan Oil Radiance Oil in Gel. Now I bought this only because of argan oil. It's really good for your skin, and the problem with this moisturizer is its fragrance. It is so strong. I don't like fragrance in my skincare products, so I don't think I will recommend this to you, but I'm still trying this out, so I will share review of like all these moisturizers that I have with me. Another thing which is always out of stock is this moisturizer from Simple. This is how it looks like. This is just for rupees 395, and you get this whole bottle. Like I said, it's always out of stock. Again, I waited for this moisturizer for so many months and finally got my hands on this one. So I've heard great things about this moisturizer, and the best part, it is fragrance free, so I really trust this brand now, because if skincare products are fragrance free, then I have a little bit of trust in them. Otherwise I don't trust those products. So I've received this just yesterday, so I can't really say much about it, but yes, I will try it out and as always share my review. The last moisturizer which I have is from a very famous brand these days. It's the Minimalist, and this is how the moisturizer looks like. Now this packaging kind of reminds me of the Belif moisturizer, which is really expensive. This one is not that expensive. It is just for rupees 350, And Minimalist is quite famous these days because of the chemical exfoliation and all of that. I don't really have knowledge about those things, but yes, I'm gonna try out this moisturizer. Not tried it out yet, but I will. And it has got a little bit of fragrance, but it's not like fragrance. It's very natural. So I'm really looking forward to try this out. And Minimalist is a newly launched brand on Nykaa, so you can check it out if you have been looking out for its products. Nykaa is a great place to buy these products. Next, again, a new launch on Nykaa, which is Bath and Body Works. I got these 2 hand creams at a great offer. So this is like for rupees 300, I guess. It's for 400 and I got it at around 250 or 300 rupees. So it was a pretty good deal. And I'm just obsessed with all the products from Bath and Body Works, and these 2 hand creams are like really nice. But I prefer this one. This is the Jingle Bell Berry variant, and this one is Sea Mineral. It's very strong, and this one is very soft and subtle, but the fragrance is just amazing. So if you want hand creams, definitely try these out. They're like really nice. Last product for today's haul is this hair thickening spray from Forest Essential. This is how it looks like. Again, it's an expensive product. It's for 1350 rupees, and I guess इसपे कोई offer भी नहीं था. But I really wanted this because Forest Essentials is a very well-known and trusted brand. So I'm trying this out. As you can see, I've used almost half of it. Till now, it's working well for me, but I will definitely share my updated hair care routine, which includes this product for sure. So wait for that video again and you will know how well it is working for me. So yeah, this is it for today's video. These were all the things which I shopped from Nykaa. Let me know in the comment section below which one is your favorite, or let me know which product you are looking forward to buy in the comment section below. Also, do like, share and subscribe, and I will see you in my next video.